Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hoppet, South Birmingham. Right, so we've been looking after this car for years. Local elderly gentleman. It is one owner from new. It's done a genuine 86,000 miles and it has 16 services. Cam belt was replaced at 36,000 miles, now done 86,000 miles. One owner from new, 2 keys, cream leather sport seats, glass sunroof. It's a Passat, Volkswagen Passat. It's a 2 litre TDI SEL DSG automatic 4-door saloon, 2006 on a 56. Never had any paintwork. One owner from new, 16 services, automatic, diesel, leather, heated seats, glass sunroof. It's got steel, it's got 4 alloys, it's got a steel spare wheel, jack wheel brace, alloy wheel locking key. It's got 2 keys. It's got through load facility in the boot. You can put a huge boot on these old Passats. You can fold the seats down and through load facility into the rear of the car. We will give it another wash. We've just been driving it, but it is in nice condition. Tyres are all good. Glass sunroof, tilt and slide. Inside, it's got the cream fitted mats that have been in there from new. Door cards are all in good condition. Leather seats are beautiful. Sport seats, heated seats. The driver's seat is electric. Climate control, cruise control. It has an electric rear blind that goes up and down in the rear window. He has no children. It's hardly been sat in the back. (16 services, 86,000 genuine miles. Huge boot. Pull the little grey straps and the seats fold down. Under here, under that mat, it's like new. Full-size steel spare wheel. Jack wheel brace. £3,995. Good quality car this. One owner from new. Electric windows, electric mirrors, heated mirrors, electric boot release, electric fuel flat release. We will give it another clean. Does come up lovely. Automatic lights, cruise control through there on the stalk. 86,260 miles from new. Climate control, heated seats. There's the electric rear blind button. Goes up and down electrically. £3,995. MOT till the 31st of the 10th, 2026. 16 services, one owner, drives beautifully. £3,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.